Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to tell you whether I'm bearish or bullish. So last time I said I'm bearish, immediately market after next few days it touched to 20,200 and then the market is down. I won't say I'm right because I wasn't predicting the market would go such a fast pace. So I was in an unrealized loss for some time. After that, the market went down. That was not lucky, I would say, but ultimately I'm confused why the market went up and why the market is down. So basically the market was down because Yemen and Red Sea issues as the core cause, which I have not predicted of, but ultimately it's the channel which I've shown earlier, this channel pattern which I've shown earlier. Basically the market is at the tops, so I'm predicting that the market the stock have to correct and come down is what I'm predicting, not right away, but that is what I have in my mind. That is the reason I have taken the trade. But now the market for past 2 days it has acted weirdly, it, which is a bit confusing to me. So basically I show these videos as for my brothers to see, but since I've posted here, it's basically log, so I don't suggest everyone taking the positions which I have taken until they have a proper strategy. So again, not they you shouldn't be copying me or that, for that matter, anyone. You have to think about any stock or any futures positions or options, any investment, any small amount of trade or investments yourself. So right now, again, I am wrong. I was wrong because I've suggested somewhere here in this area, and after that it went up by 500 points. So I lost some money and unrealized. So I still hold that position, just to showcase. I still hold that position, and still it's showing that it is at loss. But yeah, let's not go there. Now I predict the market to be a little bit volatile rather than up or down. I won't suggest that because FIs were selling really bad and the DIs were buying like crazy. I don't know why DIs are buying so much, but let me show you the data of today. For example, okay, today's it got released. Okay, then it's cool. So if you see futures, they are shorting by 11,000. This data of 11,000 and the previous day 25,000. If you're seeing this, they're aggressively selling, and who is going to buy is the client. So today the bullishness came because of client and also because of these. But why is there so much when the opinion is completely bearish? If we are seeing the positions, I'll even go to stocks. Stocks also, if you see 9,900 amount of stocks were sold. If you see last 1 month, right, it was a little bit bullish and bearish and everything, but this gives a completely uh, completely biased view for me. So am I thinking like FII or am I not, is not my thing, but I am bearish right now and I am confused on top of that. So I don't want to touch any new investments. Even though I have invested, I don't want to recommend in investing in any other stocks because I have already pledged and hedged enough. So most of my positions are neutral to bearish, not extremely bullish trades. But here I have a little bit of confusion in terms of the investment specifically related to these things. So I don't know how the things pan out in the Red Sea, but I don't think they will be solved immediately. That should be a big factor. It's not. It should be factored in like Ukraine war, but Ukraine won't have any direct impact in India because even India is a wheat producing country, and if we do so, the wheat production can be stopped in India and we can have enough food. But exporting to other countries might also solve few things. But ultimately, Ukraine and Russia didn't add up a lot to this puzzle than all the oil countries going under fight and uh, Iran also meeting all these nations. There are huge news which are coming out, and also China occupying Taiwan is a thing where they sent around 13 fighter jets. So these all news add to the fact, and that's why they are selling so much aggressively. So I shouldn't be bullish in this kind of scenario, but I don't want to be completely bearish also, because India is a growing country, and whenever I see some stocks, right, they go up 20%, 30% up, and I start fearing, I have a fear of missing out. So basically, this is what is creating confusion. So let me show you one of my stock which I've sold few days back, and it has moved 16% up today, right? So this is creating a FOMO. So FOMO is basically fear of missing out. So it is creating a huge confusion, and I have exited fluorochem and entered it with a small volume. And my positions, I don't recommend anyone trading those or using those and losing a lot of money. I'm already losing a lot of money. But ultimately what I'm seeing is, if these are all creating a huge FOMO to me, and that is where I'm confused. So every trader might have FOMO, but during this news and the stocks which I exited going up so volatilely and going like 100, creating almost 2x of those, this is very scary to me. And I'm thinking, reconsidering whether I'm a good trader or a good investor myself. So I'm actually confused on what exactly I have to do right now. So this video is just to be extremely transparent, whether, see, these are the times when I actually don't know whether I should be trading or just sitting out and just let the market play its game. But since I am a trader and an investor, this is the confusing part. So these are the days where I'm actually thinking of strategy myself. The strategy is not about options, or strategy is not about investments or anything. It's about psychology. So whenever a market is bearish, what should my psychology be like? So I can't figure that out. So if I am not able to figure that out, I can't actually do any trade. Or if I don't have any particular strategy, I shouldn't be trading. So that's why I am thinking ki hedging my positions and basically exiting out of um, the positions, or taking any new positions, is what I am thinking for. So my brain is completely towards that. I'm not taking any equity positions. Even though I have a FOMO, I am not going to touch any of these stocks right now. That is what I've decided, and that is why I'm not even making a video, because whatever video I might make, if there are few fraction of people which might be influenced, even though I have 200 subscribers, if at least one is losing money because of me, that's on me. So I am again being extremely honest. I don't want to take any positions in equity or in options. So be careful in this time. And if at all, if my psychology doesn't support me, I don't take a trade. So I want other people also to have a psychological strategy more than trading strategy. First, whenever you are in a difficulty in life or difficulty in anything, you have to realize that there is a difficulty or there is a hiccup which is coming up there, and you have to stop there and think about it. That's what I am trying to do. So that's it, guys. So I'm trying to come up with a psychological strategy. It might, because it's not a trading strategy, you have to dwell it within, and you don't find any articles for that. And that too, strategies related to psychology on myself relating to trade is a little difficult, I guess. There is a particular section which I like in Zerodha, which Varsity. I'll just show that. Let me see. Yeah. So Zerodha Varsity has one of the sections which is extremely impressive on psychology and have immense articles on psychology behind any trading. So where is it? This one, yeah. Inner worth and mind over market. This is the this I recommend most of the people to go through this. This is the almost has the complete set of things which you have to think about. All almost all these articles are really impressive. If you read, this is the perfect place for any uh, you know psychology or anything related to trade. So I seriously love them. They have bought a company which is into this. There is MarketWise which used to publish psychology. So Zero they acquired his publishing rights and they have posted all these. So each has a beautiful article on specific mentality or any kind of doubts which you have. So focus on action, not price, is one of the things. So I'll just recommend to go through this, and I am also going through this right now. So um, but ultimately I have to have a strategy out. If I read the articles, it doesn't make any sense because it has to be actionable. So making an action out of the articles and sticking to that strategy is a difficult part. That is what I am planning to do right now. So yeah, uh, I am explaining to you as if I'm vlogging, and I'm vlogging this for my brother or whoever I trade with and whoever I have to be responsible to. So that's why I vlog. So it is a not a real time update, but let's say half an hour or one day later this video will be published. So that day they'll get an update and I can share the video with them. So basically it's an update, a virtual update, which it's not a basically a YouTube channel. It's basically a vlog which I'm making to trading vlog to make my brother happy because we are have a combined trade account. So it's making him much happier on the transparency things. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Okay then, bye.